Good morning, good evening, good night, everyone, wherever you are. This is another episode of Wave Watch, and I am your host, Sleepy Bull. And tonight we'll be going over the Nasdaq Wave Watch. Right now, the Nasdaq has seemingly broken out of a bull flag. Last video I spoke, I said we had put in a bottom around here because of the Elliott wave bottoming formation. The 618 match up with the prior wave 1. The Nasdaq is one that I like to watch just because if the Nasdaq bottoms, usually crypto bottoms. You know, one thing that I want to keep an eye out for the Nasdaq is this slanted trend line here that's seemingly resistance. If we can break it, this is like pretty much a head and shoulders right here. So if we break that bottom trend line, we can definitely go up higher, up until this over here. This here is, I'm not sure what this is, but I know for certain that's not the top. I'm looking at a top wave 5 on the Nasdaq for roughly, that wave 5 is going to be huge. Let's see here. Well, this is the wave 3 top for the Nasdaq, so we won't get there for a long time, you know. So let me just stretch this out here. We're actually not that far off from it, to be honest. That's just a, let's see how far we are from it. Wow. 186%. Just a 186% gain. And we have officially topped on the Nasdaq wave 3. Well, this is almost the end, folks, of the Nasdaq bull market. So it's been a long time coming. This bull market has been going on since early 2000s. Believe it or not, this was also a bull market here, 2008. The great decade of nothing. I expect a retrace once we're here, and a retrace somewhere to around here. So enjoy it while it's going, guys. But yeah, back to the chart here. We seem to be going off into a wave 1, 2. This here, what I put here was a potential bear scenario where it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down, 3 waves up, 5 waves down. That could still play out, or it could even do 5, 3, 5, and then we're off to a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If it is going to be a 5, 3, 5, as you can see, this is a ABCW, ABCX, ABCY, and then 5 waves down. If it is that, then at the end of this Y wave, we should see a sharp reversal somewhere around here, around the 1. Yeah, just about the 1. Yeah, the 20,000. That's the bear case. WX and then Y down here or Y down here. Because as I stated before, we already bottomed. And also noting the theory of alternation. If this is sharp, this will be complex, aka sideways. So it's a complex sideways correction. So we will get a 535. I'm very optimistic that we will get a 535. But other than that, just to be bullish, let's just be bullish for bullishness sake. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in a 1. So if this is bullish, if the Nasdaq is bullish, we should be putting in wave 5 right about now. And as you can see, this is a wedge pattern that just broke out with a target up here. So we should be hitting that target. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the target of the wedge. And then after this wave 5 up here, we should most likely see an ABC correction down here at least. So whether you're bullish or bearish, we're still going to expect this pattern. We're getting a 5 wave up move, I guess that's what this is. It could be interpreted as a ABC, X, ABC. This with 5th wave will determine everything. Or 5, 3 down, and then 5 up for wave 3. Wave 3 will be something nice to see in the Nasdaq. Wave 3 will get us up to here, a little bit above this projection that we thought would be the top of our X wave, but wave 3 will be here, wave 4, and then we will hit wave 5 either here or most definitely past this all-time high top for wave 5 here. So that's something to look out for, and that's the update on the Nasdaq. But I am, very certain that we bottomed. The question is, will we go shooting up, or will we just do the sideways correction? And judging by the way Tesla looks, if Tesla doesn't just shoot up, it's definitely going to be a complex correction sideways. Tesla's a big company, so I expect it to be a big part of this corrective pattern here. Moving on to the total 2 crypto market cap. Total 2 is continuing to follow the expected trajectory, where we ended up doing the A, B, C. Let me just make these without any lines here, where it's following the A, B, C, A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, E trajectory, and we just started, in my opinion, wave 1 down. I do expect this triangle. Now I was looking up literature on, ascending triangles, the bottom of a trend, and they do come out to be reversal patterns or just the end of a trend. For ascending triangles at the bottom of a downtrend, it's technically a bullish sign, but in wave theory, if you have a downtrend preceding the triangle, expect a fake out and then a drop down. That's classic wave theory. So I am not expecting any positive breakouts from this triangle. And as you can see, we already got the 3 topping crosses here. I like to call this pattern the Jesus and the 2 thieves pattern. This is an extremely bearish pattern. It's gonna drop here, just 3 hammers really, but just for nostalgia's sake, I call it Jesus and the Two Thieves. But yeah, as you can see, we're gonna just drop down here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fashion. And yeah, like I said before, my target is all the way down here. So let's just see if that happens. And I've stated the reasons why. I'm still bearish. And that's it for today, guys. Have a good one.